Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to calculate our fifth root power of an equation, and our given equation is 5 is to power x plus 5 is to power 12 over 5 is to power x plus 5 is to power 2 overall power or overall root power 5 equal to 5. In order to solve this question for this value of x, first we should apply power 5 on the both side of the equation, and we should get, after applying the power 5 on the both side of the equation, this 5 is to power x plus 5 is to power 12 over 5 is to power x plus 5 is square will remain same. It means that the value of inside root will be remain same, but this power will change into 1 over 5, and this is the applicable power which is we apply on the both side of the equation, and the other side of the equation will convert into 5 is to power 5. Now in this 5 and this 5 will cancel out together, and after cancelling the both 5 powers 1 over 5 and into 5, we should get 5 is to power x plus 5 is to power 12 over 5 is to power x plus 5 square equal to 5 is to power 5. Now in the next step, this 5 is to power x plus 5 square, which is our denominator value, will move to the other side of the equation, and it will multiply with this value which is 5 is to power 5, and we will get 5 is to power x plus 5 is to power 12 is equal to 5 is to power 5 into 5 is to power x plus 5 square. Now we will multiply this 5 is to power 5 with both of these values, and we will get 5 is to power 5 into 5 is to power x, when this 5 is to power 5 will multiply with this value, plus will remain same, and now when this 5 is to power 5 will multiply with this 5 square, we should get 5 is to power 5 into 5 square, and the other side of the equation, which is the left side of the equation, will remain same. Now in the next step, this 5 is to power 5 into 5 is to power x will move to the other side of the equation and convert into minus 5 is to power 5 into 5x, and the left side of the equation will be equal to 5 is to power x minus 5 is to power 5 into 5 is to power x, and this 5 is to power 12 will move to the other side of the equation and will convert into minus 5 is to power 12 value, and the right side of the equation, now after moving this value to the other side of the equation from right to left, we should get 5 is to power 5 into 5 square minus 5 is to power 12. Now in the next step, we should take common 5 is to power x from whole value or from both of these value, and we will get, when we take common 5 is to power x from both of these value, common 5 is to power x will be the common value, and 1 minus 5 is to power 5 will be the remainder from the left side of the equation, and on the right side of the equation we should take common 5 is to power 7 on the both side of the equation, and after taking common 5 is to power 7 as a common value, we should get 1 minus 5 is to power 5 as a reminder. Now this 1 minus 5 is to power 5 and 1 minus 5 is to power 5 will cancel out together, and as a result we get 5 is to power x is equal to 5 is to power 7. Now here we apply the basic rule of algebra, which is if the two values are equal in magnitude, then their power are equal, or if two bases are equal in magnitude, then their power will also equal together. So here we apply the same rule, and we should get x is equal to 7, and this is the value of 4x for this expression. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.